Welcome to MB Tool Reviews. Today on the channel we have the Today's Tools Professional 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch tap back nut and 15mm to 22mm tap connector spanner set. God, that's quite a mouthful. Okay, so this is part 2 of a 3 or 4 part series on tap spanners, back nut spanners for plumbing in taps on basins and baths. For those of you who have seen my unboxing video on the Nerad Tapex kit, I mentioned that I would be showing another toolkit similar to the Nerad kit, which was considerably cheaper. This is that kit. So let's take a look inside of the box and see what you get. First of all is a 3/8 inch drive ratchet wrench. As you can see here, it's fairly heavy, solid, really well built, 2-directional. As I said, it's 3/8 inch drive, as is everything inside of this kit. Then you have this extension bar. This is a long extension bar. Then we have the shorter one here. Then we have a angled multi-directional pivoting head. Then we have 2 back nut spanners for the back of the taps. These are in 1/2 inch and 3/4 for basin taps and bath taps here in the UK. Then we also have the 15 and 22mm compression nut spanners, right angled spanners. These are for getting around your 15mm and 22mm fittings. And obviously these are for tightening up the back nuts on the back of your taps. So as you can see there, they are basically just a traditional tap back nut spanner that's sort of welded on to a 3/8 inch drive. It's a really simple and effective way of doing it. It's different to the Nerad Tapex kit in the way that they've done it. This is manufactured by a company called Today's Tools. They're based in the UK. They do a range of different tools, but this is probably their most popular tool that I've seen. I had a look on their website, and most of the other stuff is not their own stuff. It's just stuff that they sell for plumbing. This is actually, I think, their own creation. It's a very good set. I think there are also additional parts that you can add on to this set. The only thing that this is missing is a screwdriver type handle for the set, so you can manually turn the heads when you're underneath a sink or a basin or a bath. Sometimes it's good to just have a handle that you can grip onto rather than a ratchet handle, which can get in the way. I've had this for about 6 or 7 years, so I've used this a fair amount, and the ratchet handle does get in the way sometimes on the pedestal of a sink, or just hit some pipe work or a wall, depending on where you are. Even though it's got a ratchet, it still hits into things. I mean, you could just go and buy a 3/8 inch handle if it's an issue. So this set comes in at around about £45 on Amazon. Now, if you look around, you might be able to find it a little bit cheaper depending on where you buy it from. Especially on eBay, you can probably pick it out quite cheap. From the actual Today's Tools website, I think they're selling it for around £60, which is crazy. When you look around, you can find it much cheaper. So if you've been having a look at the Nerad kit, I would suggest thinking about this one as well. It's significantly cheaper, obviously. It does have most of the similar stuff to the Nerad kit. When I do my full comparison video, that might give you a better idea of what you're actually up against. So stay tuned for that. If this video has been of some help to you, please give it a like. Please remember to leave a comment down below if you have any questions about this tool or any other tools. And please remember to subscribe to the channel, as we have a lot more content coming.